This is the seventh lecture of our IMAT series, chemistry. Today we are studying fundamentals of in inorganic chemistry. So we are seeing oxides, hydroxides, and like other stuff as well in this topic. So starting with binary compounds. What are binary compounds? Compounds composed of two different elements. Okay, oxides, peroxides, oxygen-free acids here or salts. Cations are Cations are metals or non-metals. Anions O negative -2, peroxide S positive 1 or S1 or S2 metal, or anion O2 -1, oxygen free acid and salts S plus 1 or metals. Anions S -2, F -1, Cl -1, Br -1, iodide -1. Okay. Ternary compounds composed of three different elements: hydroxides, acids, and salts. Hydroxides are metal or NH4 positive, anion OH negative, acids H positive, anion XON. X is the central atom. Okay, salts metal or NH4 positive, XON, and X is the central atom. Okay, this is the basics of like binary compounds or ternary compounds. Naming inorganic compounds. Okay, name of cation plus name of anion. Okay, anion is like cation is sodium and anion is Cl negative chloride. So this is sodium chloride. This is potassium and anion is hydroxide. This is potassium hydroxide. Okay, memorize this. Classification of elements, symbols and English names of elements, Latin names of like this is like little bit knowledge about this. But remember these classification symbols and English names of common cations and anions, common names of selected compounds. Okay, this is a periodic table. Symbols and names are given here. 1A and 2A, all the elements. Okay, all okay. Try to remember these. Okay, these stuff. Okay, okay. Sodium, their names. Yeah, remember their names. Okay. W for tungsten, Cu for copper, Hg for mercury. Okay. Name of cations. Cations found only in one oxidation state. Okay. These are cations found in one oxidation state. Okay. These are in +2 state. These are in +3 state. See the position of elements in the periodic table. Okay. Cations found in two oxidation states. Root of Latin names specific, which is lower oxidation state is like it said as and is with OUS, and higher oxidation state and is IC. Okay. Copper and silver here both found in oxidation state +1 +2, iron and cobalt +2 +3, tin and lead +2 +4. Name of anions: oxygen free, hydrochloric acid, anion ide. Anion is hydrochloric, ion of Cl negative. This is hydrochloric acid. Oxo acid, lower oxidation state, OS acid. Anion name is ide. Okay. Oxo acid, higher oxidation state, acid is IC. Anion is 8. Okay. Name of anion: one oxidation state, halogen is written as halide, hydrogen hydride, oxygen as oxide, sulfur as sulfide, or hydroxide as hydroxide. OH negative as hydroxide, and Cn negative as cyanide. This is -1, this is -1, this is -2, this is -2, this is -1, and this is -1. One oxidation states. One oxidation state of central atom: C carbonate, silicate, chromate, and borate. Okay, C4, S4, Si4, Cr6, B3. Like this is like one oxidation state and like and is and ending in 8. Oxygen state of oxygen in anions always two, exception in periods. Name of anions: okay, two oxygen states. Okay, lower oxygen state ends in ite, higher oxygen state ends in 8. Nitrite, this is nitrate. Phosphite, this is phosphate. Sulfide, this is sulfate. This is selenite, this is selenate. Okay, Lower is written as 8 and higher oxygen state is written as 8. Okay, more oxygen states of central atom. Like you can say the lowest oxygen state in which it is more occurs. Okay, hypo dash into I, lower oxygen state I, higher oxygen state 8, the highest oxygen state hyper 8. Okay, CrBr, I and M, hypochlorite, chloride, chlorate, and perchlorate. You can see here. Lowest is hypochlorite, this one, and lower is this one, chloride and chlorate, higher, and this is the highest. Okay, highest is not here. Okay, compounds called by their common names: water, ammonia, nitric oxide, salt, bicarbonate, hydronium, and ammonium. Types of compounds: ionic compounds are composed of cation and anions. Cation is positively charged, anion is negatively charged molecule. Its total charge is 0. Naming the compound: cation plus anions. Okay, these are like non-metals in yellow and metals in green and metalloids in blue. Important fixes here: mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, octa, nona, deca, undeca, dodeca. Okay. Oxides: anion, O2 negative, acid forming non-metal oxygen using multiple fixes: mono, di, tri. Base forming metal or oxygen used to fix OS, OIC, or oxidation state. Amphoteric. Okay, their oxides here: Mn2, N2, O, BaO, CO, K2O, and CaO. Peroxides, anions. Okay, O2 minus 2 to O minus 1. S1 elements, hydrogen alkali metals, M2O2 formula. S2 elements, alkaline earth metals, formula is MO2. Sodium peroxide, barium peroxide, this is like 1A alkali metals, and this is alkaline earth metal. This is also alkali metals. Hydroxides, anion, OH negative. Basic properties: pH is more than 7. Stronger weak hydroxides, metal or hydroxide are used. Suffixes: OS and OIC. Ammonium hydroxide ions, NaOH, LiOH, these are hydroxides. Acids: oxygen free acids. Hydro, underline you can say hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Okay, pH is less than 7. Anion, monoprotic and diprotic. I'll learn these terms as well. Okay, this is like in 2023 monoprotic and diprotic like concept came. Okay, I have studied this. Okay, what are monoprotic and diprotic acids? When they okay, leave a comment in the section. Answer this: what are monoprotic and diprotic acids? If you were wrong, I will let you know. Inorganic compounds: acids, cations, H positive, oxo acids, the highest oxygen state like is. Okay, okay, hypodeoxyacid, lowest oxygen state. Anion will be written ic acid 8, OS acid 8. Okay, the most important oxo acids: carbonic acid into carbonate, silic acid into silicate, chromic acid into chromate, boric acid borate, phosphoric acid phosphate, sulfurous acid sulfite, sulfuric acid sulfate, nitrous acid nitrite, nitric acid nitrate. Like this is ions again. The most important oxo acids: hypochlorous acid into hypochlorite, chlorous acid chloride, chloric acid chlorate, perchloric acid perchlorate, and permanganic acid into permanganate. And remember these terms as well. Okay, you have suffixes, important suffixes here: oxygen free, oxo acid, okay, these are written like these. Ions are called like this and acids are called this. Okay, inorganic compounds like salts are formed by neutralization of acids plus hydroxide of salt and water is formed. Metal or NH positive cation derived from hydroxide, and an oxygen free or polyatomic anion derived from the acid. These are examples here. Okay, KCl, ZNS, acidic salts of acids. Okay, cation hydrogen anion, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, dipotassium hydrogen phosphate, tripotassium phosphate, not acidic, ammonium hydrogen carbonate, calcium hydrogen sulfide. Other type basic salts, cation hydroxyanion. Examples are here: magnesium hydroxychloride, antimony 3 dihydroxynitrate. This is 3 is oxidation state of antimony. Total charge of molecule is 0. Double salts, potassium magnesium chloride, potassium lithium sulfate. Okay, total charge is 0. These are some other examples: calcium chloride, hypochlorite, copper carbonate chloride, cation and multiple fixed hydrate. Okay, hydrates, like we write water molecules in hydrates of salts. Okay, magnesium, calcium hexahydrates. Hexa means six water molecules, and dihydrate is 2 water molecules. Okay, thioacids and thiosalts. Thio is, like you can say, thiol group is present. S2S2O3, HSC, and thiocyanic acid. Okay, potassium thiosulfate, potassium thiocyanate, polyacids and salts, tetraboric acid, dichromic acid, sodium tetraborate, potassium dichromate. Polyacids and salts. Keep these rules in mind. Okay, names of compounds are derived from the names of cations, anions, and polyatomic ions. Here you can see examples of sodium chloride, all binary compounds and in ide. Okay, you can see here calcium oxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide, sodium chloride, hydrogen fluoride, zinc sulfide. Binary compound composed of 2 nonmetals, SO2, N2O5, CO. Okay, this is another rule here. Suffix system. Okay, Stokes system preferred iron 2 oxide. This examples here. Okay, ternary compounds, like ternary compound, more than like you can say 3 atoms are involved. Okay, SO4, Na2 polyatomic anions, SO4 2 negative, OH negative. Inorganic compounds here given. Okay, make groups. Okay, which are oxides, which are hydroxides. Okay, differentiate between them. Okay, which are hydroxides, which are oxides, peroxides, acids, and salts. Here's answers. Green is like acids in green. Okay, here green oxides, blue hydroxides, red peroxides, yellow acids, and in black salts. Examples here written, names are written as well. Name of every compound, Na2 sodium oxide. Okay, remember these names as well. Problems. Okay, sodium sulfide formula, add right formulas here. Okay, screenshot this and write formulas in front of these. Okay, add formulas for this as well, so you will not find difficulties in like understanding what salt, acid, oxide is given to you. Okay, so this is for the topic. I hope you all enjoyed the lecture. If you have any queries, ask me in the comment section. Okay, good luck for the exams.